Today we're going to talk about place value and what place value actually is. So if you take a look here and we're looking, we see that this is the number 15. But let's talk about what the 1 and the 5 actually mean, okay? So let's take a look. So here's 15. So if you take a look here, we have a 10 rod. And what that 10 rod means is if we count each individual one, we're going to do this one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 110 right there. And then we have five ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take a look. Let's peel this back now. So that 1 means 110. If you take a look, if we slide this up, there's our 10 right there. And there's our five ones. So let's take a look here now. We have the number 37. Okay, so let's take a look again what 37 looks like and let's see if we can match everything up. So now we don't just have one 10 rod, or we have one, two, three. We have three 10 rods, and let's count that. Ready? We have 10, and then we have 20, and then we have 30. So that three, it means three tens, but three tens also means 30. And then we have our seven ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is 37. So we could either say it's 30 and 7, or we could say it's 37. All right, let's try another one now. So we have 64. Now think about it. When we show what 64 is going to look like, how many 10 flats do you think will be there? How many ones do you think will be there? So let's take a look. Ready? We have one, two, three, four, five, six tens. This means six tens, but we also know that six tens means 60. And then we have our four ones over there, and it is 64. All right, we'll do one more with tens and ones. Oops. Okay, so 43. Think about how many tens there will be, how many ones there will be. And let's take a look. Ready? We have four tens. And remember, that four doesn't just mean four tens, it means 40. Four tens is the same as 40. And then we have our three ones. Okay. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a place value now. And oops. And we now have the number 143. So let's take a look at 143 actually looks like. Ready? Now take a look at this. That's called a 100 flat. And guess what? If we were to count every single one of those little squares on there, that means there would be 100 of those. And remember, 10, 10 flat or 10 rods makes 100. So if we take a look at 143, that one means 100, which is right there. That 4 means four tens, and our four tens is right there. And then our three ones, which is right there. All right, let's go ahead and let's do another one. So say I have 325. Now think about it. How many 100 flats are there going to be? How many 10 rods will there be? And how many units will there be? Let's take a look. Ready? And we have one, two, three. We have 300s, which we know 300s is 300. And then what we have over here, we have our two tens, which we know which is 20. And then we have our five ones, which is 5. So we know that 325 is 320 and 5. So we have our hundreds place, our tens place, and we have our ones place.